Hello and welcome back. Imagine having your own sanctuary in a place so serene, it feels like paradise. Yes, we're talking about owning a vacation home, a retreat that not only promises relaxation and adventure but also a doorway to new cultures. Imagine the privacy, the freedom, the potential of earning rental income, and most importantly, the joy of having a home away from home. Now, doesn't that sound enticing? Well, stay tuned, as in this video, we will explore 7 affordable and desirable destinations where you can buy your dream vacation home. First stop, the sun-kissed Algarve region of Portugal. Known for its breathtaking coastline and soulful culture, Algarve is a paradise for those seeking a slice of tranquility in the southernmost region of Portugal. Its golden beaches, dotted with limestone caves, offer an idyllic setting for sunbathing and water sports, while its quaint towns and villages brimming with local cuisine and historic sites offer a peek into the region's rich history and traditions. Let's talk real estate. Algarve's property market is as diverse as its landscapes, offering a range of options for every budget. From cozy apartments in the bustling town of Faro to luxurious villas overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, there's something for everyone here. Locations such as Lagos and Vila Moura are particularly popular among vacation home seekers, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and modern amenities. But what makes Algarve truly stand out is its affordability. The average property price in Algarve is surprisingly reasonable, making it an attractive destination for those looking to own a piece of this Mediterranean haven. With its diverse landscapes and rich culture, Algarve offers a unique holiday experience. Whether you're a beach lover, a history buff, or a foodie, Algarve has something to offer. And the best part? You can call it home. Next, we travel to the beautiful island of St. Martin in the Caribbean. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping on the shore, the scent of the sea mingling with the sweet aroma of tropical fruits. That's the allure of St. Martin, a haven nestled in the heart of the Caribbean Sea. Here, life moves at a different pace. Days are spent lounging on stunning beaches, while nights are dedicated to the vibrant and electrifying nightlife. St. Martin is more than just an island paradise, it's also a smart investment destination. Vacation homes here range from quaint beachfront cottages to luxurious villas, all within a surprisingly affordable price range. On the Dutch side of the island, condominiums can be found for as little as $200,000, while a modest studio on the French side would run you around $107,000. This is especially true when you consider the potential rental income these properties can yield. St. Martin's property market is dynamic and promising, with a steady influx of international buyers. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a source of rental income, St. Martin offers a compelling case. In the end, it's not just about the investment, it's about the lifestyle. It's about the joy of owning a piece of paradise. It's about the endless summer days and the warm tropical nights. St. Martin, a true Caribbean delight for vacation home seekers. Our next destination is the enchanting island of Crete in Greece. Known for its vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning landscapes, Crete offers an ideal setting for a vacation home. Imagine owning a property amidst the cradle of European civilization, where ancient Minoan ruins meet sun-drenched beaches. Crete's unique blend of old-world charm and modern amenities make it a desirable location for vacation home seekers. As per local real estate agents, the cost of vacation homes in Crete is surprisingly affordable. The median price per square meter is €6,430, or about $635 per square foot, but can go as low as €2,725, or $270 per square foot. You can find a variety of options, from charming traditional houses in quaint villages to luxurious villas overlooking the azure Aegean Sea. Popular areas include the historic city of Heraklion, the picturesque town of Chania, and the tranquil region of Sicily. Each offers a distinct flavor of Crete's culture and lifestyle, allowing you to choose a location that suits your preference. Whether you're drawn to the island's rich history, its vibrant food scene, or the allure of its stunning beaches, Crete offers a myriad of experiences. Owning a vacation home here means having a personal gateway to explore and enjoy them all at your leisure. Crete, a blend of ancient history and modern luxury. Now let's head to the heart of the Balkans, Bulgaria. Nestled in the southeastern part of Europe, Bulgaria captivates with its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. From the sandy beaches of the Black Sea to the snow-capped peaks of the Balkan Mountains, the country offers a diverse array of experiences. Bulgaria is not just about breathtaking vistas, it's also an affordable haven for vacation home seekers. The nation has the lowest average price per square meter in all of Europe, ranging from $1,200 to $3,500, or, depending on the kind and location of the property, around $140 to $325 per square foot. Bulgaria presents an excellent opportunity to own a slice of European paradise without breaking the bank. Popular areas for vacation homes include the bustling city of Sofia, the seaside resorts of Sunny Beach and Golden Sands, and the charming town of Bansko, known for its ski facilities. But Bulgaria's appeal goes beyond affordability. It's a land steeped in tradition, where you can immerse yourself in a rich tapestry of customs, music and cuisine, offering a truly unique experience for homeowners. Bulgaria, an undiscovered gem in Eastern Europe. Next on our list is the mesmerizing island of Sicily in Italy. Sicily, a gem in the heart of the Mediterranean, is an oasis of culture, history, and natural beauty. Here you'll find a harmonious blend of art, archaeology, history, and of course, some of the best cuisine in Italy. Now, imagine owning a vacation home here. A place where you can wake up to the aroma of freshly brewed Italian coffee, take a stroll along the sun-kissed beaches, and spend your evenings sipping local wine while watching the sunset over the azure sea. Sicily offers a range of affordable vacation homes, from cozy apartments in bustling cities like Palermo and Catania, to rustic villas nestled in the picturesque countryside. The cost of owning a vacation home in Sicily is surprisingly reasonable, and the starting price per square meter in the city is between €2,000 and €3,000. The price range for a 150 square meter house is between €350,000 and €500,000, or $370,000 and $533,000. Whether you're seeking a tranquil retreat or a vibrant city life, Sicily has something for everyone. Sicily, where Italian charm meets Mediterranean beauty. Now, we head to the pristine landscapes of Montenegro. Picture this: azure blue seas, towering mountains, and medieval towns rich in history. This is Montenegro, a small country in the Balkans that packs a big punch in terms of natural and cultural allure. It's a place where you can explore UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the morning, bask on sun-kissed beaches in the afternoon, and dine in vibrant city squares by night. But it's not just the natural beauty and cultural richness that are attracting people to Montenegro. The country is also becoming a go-to destination for those seeking an affordable vacation home. You can find a cozy apartment or even a charming villa here for a fraction of the price you would pay in more popular European destinations. For instance, in the seaside town of Tivat, an apartment with 1,040 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, as well as a private rooftop terrace with unhindered sea views, would cost you €360,000, or around $385,000. And let's not forget the warm, Montenegrin hospitality. The locals are known for their welcoming nature, making it a place where you can truly feel at home, even when you're thousands of miles away. Montenegro, a haven of natural beauty and cultural richness. Finally, we travel to the vibrant country of Mexico. Known for its rich history, colorful culture, and mouth-watering cuisine, Mexico is a paradise that offers a unique blend of relaxation and adventure. From the azure beaches of Cancun to the bustling cityscape of Mexico City, there's no shortage of sights to see and experiences to savor. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, the scent of fresh tortillas wafting from the local bakery, and the sight of a sun-kissed sky heralding a new day of discovery. That's the allure of owning a vacation home in Mexico. Now let's talk numbers. Mexico offers a broad range of property options, from quaint casitas to luxury villas. On average, you could own a little piece of this paradise for a price that is surprisingly affordable. Areas like Playa del Carmen and Puerto Vallarta as popular spots for vacation home seekers. 1- and 2-bedroom flats start for roughly $200,000 to $280,000, while mansions start at about $500,000. Studios may be purchased for as little as $150,000. In Mexico, every day is a celebration of life. The people are warm, the landscapes are diverse, and the opportunities for exploration are endless. So when you're thinking of a place to call your second home, think Mexico, where warm hospitality meets diverse landscapes. Buying a vacation home abroad is not just an investment, but a doorway to new experiences. From the sunny Algarve region in Portugal to the vibrant culture of Mexico, each of these 7 affordable destinations offers its own unique charm. A vacation home isn't just about having a place to stay, it's about immersing yourself in a new culture, enjoying the privacy of your own space, and even earning potential rental income. So whether you're drawn to the serene landscapes of Crete in Greece, the historic allure of Sicily in Italy, the untouched beauty of Montenegro, or the captivating vistas of St. Martin in the Caribbean, there's a perfect spot waiting just for you. Thank you for exploring these beautiful destinations with us. Remember, your dream vacation home is just a decision away.